Hello, let me show you this magic mushroom. It is so cute. Let's take it out of the box. Isn't it cute? And the magic is it becomes a funnel if you turn it upside down and inside out. It's a funnel. So cute and so practical. It is food grade material. It's BPA free. It's made of silicone and it's dishwasher safe. And the company, OTOTO, has sent it to me to try out so that I can share my honest opinion of using it with you. I have a glass and I'm going to put the funnel in it and pour some orange juice in. And that's how it works. Take it out and put it in the dishwasher. It is so cute and so functional. I love it. This would make the perfect gift for anyone to perk up their kitchen. It'd be a great holiday gift or housewarming gift. And it is so cute, just so cute. I love it.